Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Are you wondering if your portfolio is too risky or even too safe? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to access whether asset allocation is balanced on Empower. Now, we're going to get into it, and the first step is to open Allocations view. Now, on your mobile app, on your Empower mobile app, from the dashboard, you're going to go to Investing, and then you're going to go to Allocations. This is going to show you your current mix of stocks, bonds, and cash. Next step is to compare to targets. So Empower shows your actual allocations versus your target allocation based on your profile and your goals, and you can just compare the two. Next step is to identify imbalances. So now you're going to look for areas where you're overexposed or too much in one sector or asset class. And of course, you're going to use that to adjust accordingly. Consider rebalancing by shifting funds, selling overweight assets, or just adding to underweight ones. And of course, from that, you're going to monitor over time. So market changes can throw off your balance. So you want to check your allocations at least twice a year. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.